So you be a offer camera mutana and as a bread pan and so person create content and so nyamre emetna sinka. This video is meant for you. And remember how we create avatar version of yourself. Because avatar version in simplest form. AI avatar is a digital version of you that can represent you and communicate on your behalf. If you are busy, the post video, you can create avatar version of yourself. No ejinemo akasama no post video no. Na ko wanim. Me tell you be power my TikTok videos mo pa. E to be say be me post video be so me nya time in track camera ni ma. Me zo avatar version of myself. Na man aka de obeso kan na comedian no. So intend no very simple. We be so how I create avatar version and so the my ho a obetimi akasa ibia wow voice mu anase any typing words bia no aka na odi akọ ani me did kwa so make sure AI and a Facebook monetization e wo twi mu me ba sisi a e don komo no ahyehyɛ so. So welcome back. Ad na ko here near nyame adoma 7th and 8th September AI masterclass and babe. When you AI one of the so into details are just join my class. Me link na be so joining this class no. In Facebook na here our comment section. Say YouTube so on the description you bet me click it. Or join the class na 120 Ghana cedis. So now first thing first. Say ube create avatar version of yourself ube here wow reference image and someone turning into some image be if they're taking it from there. So you match GPT. My be me chat GPT no. You have a image bia me pe e de amano na turn no into avatar. So me be use me picture we are motain ho no. Okay. This image me tell them me flyers, me come me profile no and da ho. So me the picture na match GPT. And I'm the prompt aka no ho. Prompt am the aka no ho ye avatar version prompt. Me leave in a comment section as say YouTube or say Facebook or comment section as wait my copy and I so take screenshots no copy from gallery. So my paste prompt no e dey ama ChatGPT. So yam fama no you see be create avatar version of ourselves and I say yourself. Image admin ni bia no based on my prompt no be create be say enso e dey ama. So yam try kakra you how be create enso e dey ama. Okay, now the avatar version I create here. So this is a version of me Mijina background, plain background. Make me aside the channel, no my YouTube studio. Baby, I person what just work on the prompt. Na bibian kui and so now. Bet me download this image from ChatGPT. Now your first avatar image. Bet me the channel as a costume. Bet me the channel. Your creativity. Maybe case be so na and so at the actual so young person image no. Ebe download it. Then find another platform. Then come motion and brum. Then the cast action ano. If it be go smoothly and so edit so image na download there we. Image na download we are. Next step I'll be call Google Flow. So yembre Google Flow. See and Google Flow no here. Okay, you have a Google Flow. I was working on these images, but I'm sure how we burn from scratch. Until I'm going to another prompt and run that second prompt and so my drop in or comment section as a bit to me applicant from there. Now so be a good smoothly and so at the amount. So my pick the second prompt no and so ewaha. So second prompt no and we baby the motion ebeshe avatar nim. Be mana akasa ba ne kasa na waka na ehun hye den hia so ye me fa image no ewaha. Image ni mafa me the prompt no second prompt no amano and we motion prompt be man akasa kasa no be kano ye shada mpenti be mute no near the original kasa ashim me third upper message akoso no so ye be twen kakra na video no a generate enso awie. Okay, so now your video no a generate awie. Yes, we have image na a generate awie. Me say sound don e wo me yempe. So this is how it's turning normal image into emotion image. Am I for the air kasa? So now any image you see into video no, you can call another place. Ana asem no na. Ho be my voice no abam. Any how I say biano. It's me I. So your next app you be di ho komo your friend no dream face. Say it here. Dream face. Into baby ebe kono avatar. On say avatar da. It means we are working on avatar. Your talk/sing. Into ubeba plus we enyuma maya ewo ho. Into wode foforo bɛka ho weba plus ne so. Wo click plus na efi ne bɛkɔ akɔfa ye image na ye pɛ no de aba. Nti ye video ha video ni 8 seconds video. No wa click so. Na be me a confirm. Image no atane video aba dream face. Efi ne de ya no ebɛhyem amana looky real to say ya ankasa. So once you want avatar to see or sing, avatar no person or can dey, or person or dey or tonwom bia ne nyina e wo ho nti e be click ho no mo. Be click ni same. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are betting you use ama avatar no akasa. First one is over type words na man na waka. And the second one is over search music bi na wato. And import or sound bi o phone so betting akwa fiber na wo dey channel no waka. And the last one record. Yes, this is a record. Obey voice over na wa mano akasa. So you may try recording here hwade so you may recording so. Obo recording so a 30 seconds. So be voice over amano. Inti ma member recording so na hwade. Okay, abusua we avatar version of Kwaku Maxwell me dey try dey on YouTube. So whole video we there it means say for educational purposes. Ma me na do 30 seconds, e do 9 seconds inti yembon hwe. Watchri on tinti nyamia confirm ne hwade ye bo confirm na say netie on say recording aba be show that ntina animate aba animate and do click animate ne so a video no be animate with the audio na me ye no na ene na no etimi akoso upload the video no with the audio. So say the tax or had a kiwi so tax no e delay so a eba because so let's hold on for some time na we info and my use free version and I could this video no but you haven't see me so you use Android this is your app a bit me there but we no want me use no app also mom use iPhones no you can use this dream face mainly for Android users. So video no generate with the voice na me here no na yenye avatar version or kamekasa. So bit me try on your Android Play Store bit me download but we an app we know any Apple Store for Android users. So bit me try or try never let me know under the comment section. So Kwaku afa papa so yen twa kakra na image no and a video no turn out and so emfa my speed in moment to see a baby na bibia koye enso. Now the video no is ready so yen bone hwe. Okay, abusuya we avatar version of Kwaku Maxwell me dey try this. So whole video we there